got some cute Christmas tree here. Now I'm going to unpacking it. Oh my god, what a cutie. And it's made of that is so cute. And snowman in it. It's awesome. And it has four sides. I don't know, just and also we have this orange wood here, like that. And this is like maybe and this part goes like that. Maybe no, I don't know. It's a really hard puzzle to make. Maybe like this. Let's maybe this part is in the middle. Maybe we should try. Okay. Let's, and this goes. This is it, and this then goes. So I finally did it. It looks like that. And now I should put it here in this stuff, and then it will be standing. Like that. And after that, I should put these cute toys. Oh my god. Guys, now it's really hard. So I'm trying to put it in some presents. Maybe just maybe try. Okay, I should try just it doesn't. It'll be done. Maybe it's just some Chinese. Oh my god, I did it. Just look at this. Wow. Now I'm gonna decorate it.